The Alfa Romeo Giulia is not long for this world, at least as we know it. Starting in 2027, the Italian marque aims to only sell electric vehicles, with the current gas-powered lineup giving way to battery-powered replacements around 2025. But before that happens, famed Italian design house Zagato has decided to celebrate the Giulia with a striking one-off called the Alfa Romeo Giulia SWB Zagato. While it wears completely unique bodywork, the SWB Zagato is based on the high-performance Giulia Quadrifoglio, packing a twin-turbo 2.9-liter V6 and the ZF6-speed manual gearbox available in Europe. However, Zagato boosted the engine to the specification found in the track-focused, automatic-only Giulia GTAm, providing a stout 533 horsepower and 443 pound-feet of torque. As the SWB portion of the name implies, Zagato shaved some length out of the Giulia's wheelbase to create the svelte two-door body, which is fashioned from carbon fiber. Zagato doesn't make any performance claims for the one-off model, but we would expect similar metrics to the GTAm, with a sprint to 60 miles per hour in a mid 3-second range and a quarter-mile time under 12 seconds. The real highlight of the Giulia SWB is the Zagato bodywork, which pays homage to the SC, an unusually styled Zagato-built sports car from the 1990s. The Slinky two-door shape has hints of Jaguar F-Type to it, but with a distinctively Alfa Romeo face. The headlights are reminiscent of those on the new-tone Nolly crossover, and an air intake carved out above the triangular grille adds aggression. The expressive front end is followed by a smooth profile and a clean rear end that features a thin tail light wrapping around the edge of the body above a burly diffuser. The Giulia SWB Zagato was built for a German customer who is a loyal Alfa Romeo enthusiast, owning every vehicle from the company's modern lineup as well as a 1990 SC and a rare 8th century Compete Zioni. His garage also apparently features several special edition Aston Martin Zagato models. While there was no price announced for the Giulia SWB Zagato, we imagine the customer paid a hefty sum for the one-off. But given the customer's passion for both Alfas and Zagatos and the Giulia SWB Zagato's jaw-dropping looks, we imagine the price was well worth it.